cut through the chaos. Most people aren't losing because they're weak, they're losing because they're scattered. Your mind isn't tired, it's overloaded. Your focus isn't broken, it's being stolen. Your clarity isn't gone, it's buried under noise. This is your wake up call. You will never reach your potential with a distracted mind, and deep down, you already know it. So today, we rebuild your focus, not with hacks, not with apps, but with discipline, awareness, and a stoic level of self command. Your brain wasn't designed for constant stimulation, it was designed to hunt, observe, think deeply, move with purpose. But now, your attention is pulled in 10 directions before breakfast. Notifications, drama, endless scrolling, people demanding your energy, thoughts demanding your attention. You're not unfocused, you're overloaded. The Stoics warned about this. The mind is shaped by what it frequently dwells on. You've been feeding your mind noise and expecting clarity. You've been feeding it chaos and expecting peace. That ends today. Every distraction has a price, not always big, but always paid in full. A few seconds lost here, a few thoughts derailed there, but add that up, days disappear, weeks blur, years vanish, and the things you say you don't have time for are buried under all the time you've already wasted. Focus is not a luxury, it's the foundation of every goal you claim to care about. Without focus, you drift. With focus, you dominate. The Stoics weren't calm because life was easy. They were calm because they filtered their attention. They asked one simple question: is this under my control? If yes, act. If no, release it. If irrelevant, ignore completely. They didn't let every voice in. They didn't let every irritation become a battle. They didn't let every distraction hijack their mind. Modern life makes this harder, but also necessary, because in today's world, focus is a superpower and clarity is currency. Here's the part people overlook. You don't need more time, you need more clarity. So here is the protocol. Simple, direct, and brutally effective. Multitasking is a myth. When you try to do everything, you end up spreading yourself too thin and doing nothing well. Ask yourself, what is the one task that moves my life forward today? Choose it, commit to it. Your clarity begins where your indecisions end. You cannot enter deep focus with a chaotic mind. Before you begin anything important, take 2 minutes of silence. No phone, no talking, no stimulation. This calms your nervous system and primes your brain for depth and clarity. Silence is not empty, it's preparation. Your mind will wander, that's human. Focus isn't staying locked in. Focus is returning every time you drift. Each return is a repetition. Each repetition builds the muscle. This is a stoic discipline in real time. You're not failing when you drift. You're training when you come back. How you start your day determines how you think. If the first thing you touch is your phone, you've already surrendered your mind to noise. Instead, guard the first hour fiercely. Think, plan, breathe, write. Be the architect of your day, not the audience. Your mornings build your momentum. Your mind stores unfinished thoughts like open tabs. They drain energy even when you're not aware of them. So empty your head onto paper. Tasks, ideas, worries, reminders. Once it's written down, it stops running in the background. A clear list creates a calm mind. A calm mind can focus. This is the heart of the clarity protocol. When you build clarity, 3 changes happen. Your thoughts slow down. You stop chasing everything and start choosing. Your decisions sharpen. You stop hesitating and start executing. Your peace returns. You stop reacting to the world and start directing it. This is what the Stoics meant by inner order. Not perfection, intention. Not silence, control. Not calmness, command. If you want focus, you must train it. If you want clarity, you must create it. If you want discipline, you must practice it. So ask yourself, what is the one distraction you know has been hijacking your focus and you are finally ready to remove it? Drop it in the comments. Your clarity starts the moment you name the thing that's been stealing it.